Hi my lovely viewers, this is LYT World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to create a meeting for later in Google Meet on Gmail. So for this case we have to go to the Gmail account. Here I have logged in before. So here my Gmail account, so it is the Google Apps, and here the Google Meet we have to click here. So now here the new meeting, so we have to click this. Then what do you want? We want create a meeting for later. That means we have to create a meeting link after or next few minutes or few time later. So click here. Here's your joining info. So this is the send these two people you want to meet with. Be sure to save it so you can use it later. So before that we have to copy the link. Copy, see, it is copy. Then here we will enter a code or link, so we will click, see, then join, see. So here is the link which is open. Now join. Now here we will join. So that link, which link? This link, see. So we will open a new account. See, already I have this here, this account. See the Meet. So if we click this, paste, then press the enter or joining. Same link. Ask to join. So in that case, we have to give the permission. See, someone wants to be joined this call, Ayesha Akter. If we will give the admit, then it will work. See, still it cannot be connected as because we are not admitted. So if we click admit, see, Ayesha, only Ayesha Akter, and the meeting sections, it is the engineer Ayesha Akter. It is from the Google Chrome, and here the Mozilla Firefox. See, both connection or both things has been connected in this way. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.